This is the House of the Rising Sun by the Animals. It was popular back, I don't know, 70s, 60s, 80s. It's a great song. And I first learned it on a guitar. But then over time, I now play the ukulele, so I thought I'd show you how. It's very easy. It is a very simple song to play. You can make it complicated, but it's very simple. I'm going to show you a little bit of both, the strumming pattern and the picking pattern. So as I play it, I'm going to list the chords across here that I'm playing, at least to start with. And you might want to jot those down so you can keep track of them. But it starts off and of course I'm going to sing. Sorry, I'll get this out of the way first so you can stop the singing. When you're doing this, when you're playing there's two ways to do it. You can, let me turn this down a little. Okay, when you're doing this, there's several ways to do it. Now the first way is you just go down the strings with your thumb and stop, just one string at a time. Go to the next chord. It's very pretty. Now a guitar has 6 strings or 12 strings, but say 6 strings. So there's more playing involved in it. And with only 4 to try and get that same flavor, what I would do is play the top string first and then go through the strings. Now you can stop at that point, or you can play this top string, go through the strings and start to come back up. And I'll show you both right here. Here's the other. And you can do that all with your thumb, or you can use your finger. Whatever suits you. You just have to find something that's comfortable. Now I strum a lot. I strum a lot better than I pick. And I have a very loose wrist. I'm always hitting my finger. Very seldom do I use my thumb. I'll hit down with my finger, back up with my finger, like so. Sometimes I will use my thumb coming back up, but very seldom do I use it. I'm holding it like I was holding a pick, and then I can use the finger. And please don't think you have to do just because I strum like that. A lot of you are going to be a lot more comfortable with or and that's the great thing about a ukulele. You play it your way. You play it a way that's comfortable for you. If you like to sing along, like I do, go for it. I mean, have fun. Make it your own. That's the only thing I ever try and stress is make it your own. Do it your way. Hopefully you've got some friends that can play along with you. You guys can share it and go from there. Here's some more. Hi, Sam. In strumming, you can get a lot more feeling into it, a lot more emphasis, or at least I can. There is a house in New Orleans. Call the rising sun. And it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I'm one. My mother, she was a tailor. So my new jeans. Daddy, he was a gambling man down in New Orleans. You're a good girl. She's an excellent critic.